Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. We are here, and hopefully everything's good. It's like weird thing pop up on the volume a minute ago, so I don't know what's going on. Hopefully you guys can hear everything just fine. If not, let me know. Outdoors Smile, number 1 in the chat. Kai, what's going on? Second in the chat. Nufo, Gorilla, Jeffrey, PS5, Giovanni, Gorilla, and Jesse. All of you guys. Glad to have you in here right now. Let's check the market out and see what went on during the afternoon. We have AMC finishing the day a little bit lower than it was earlier, but still good nonetheless. $12.71 per share, a 16.68% gain. Don't get ahead of yourselves, though. That is still drastically lower than where we were just last week. We've got Shiba Inu coin. I'll go back to a minute chart on this one, though. Shiba Inu coin on the top right-hand side of the screen, literally doing nothing all day today. 813 points. I mean, this is about as sideways as you can get on a crypto, man. My goodness. Shiba Inu coin is doing nothing. My goodness. Shib sitting here at 813 points per coin. GameStop, 1838 at the close. 7.74% higher on the day. QQQ ending 0.5% higher. Not bad, but it was up a little more earlier on in the day. Closing at $376.81. NASDAQ doing just as well. 0.5% gain. 1273 on AMC. GameStop 1838. Dogecoin 6.5 cents. Ethereum 1702. Shiba Inu coin. Oh, action. Sitting at 813. We got Bitcoin 27,210. That's better than 27 flat, but I want to see 28, 29. 30,000 on Bitcoin. SPY sitting at $450. QQQ sitting at 376. Molinado 56 cents a share, guys, down 5% on the day today. Sundial $1.66 was up 7.79%. Sundial moving higher again. Netflix $434. Hycroft Mining 35.5 cents. MPW, my goodness, read it, Clay. 735. Tesla sitting at 256.90. Almost said 258, but nope, came back down a little bit. 256. 90 at the close, 256.78 after hours. Joby sitting at 744 and TMC $1.34. No real action today, moving between $1.30, $1.32 and $1.35 today. Kind of a tight range on TMC. We're going to watch Bitcoin play out, though, and hopefully we get some green lines and green candles on that screen right there. Where is everybody? Giovanni, I think they're sleeping, man. I have no idea where everybody's at right now. Maybe Clero's clocks are just all slow. He's a time traveler. I would hope so, but I don't know about that. Time to watch my money go sideways. Jesse, that it is, man. Little afternoon sideways action. Clay's late. Kenneth, I'm right here, man. On time, baby. We got Shib trash in the toilet. Malone Labs, man. Or Malone Labe, whatever it is. Malone. Yeah, dude, you know, I wouldn't necessarily say it's in the trash, but... or in the toilet. But, dude, this is some stagnant action right here. That's obvious, man. Look at this daily graph. Literally between 813 and 814 points per coin for, like, the last 4 hours. That's not very good. Let's just put it that way. Not very good. We need Shiba Inu coin to step its game up for sure. Unicorn. Oh, yeah. Pudgy coming in, reminding me almost immediately, Pudgy. Very nice. And I'll leave it. That is a good horn. I'll even give you a king with it, man. Thank you very much, Pudgy. You were definitely late on that super chat you sent earlier, though, but I got you on that one. Appreciate the super chat, man. Always. Oh, gotta take that horn away before I forget that it's there, and then people coming in are like, what in the world is going on? Shiba equals poop emojis. Alright, very good. No, look, I agree, man. The price action on Shiba Inu coin for a very long time now has not been beneficial to investors. I'll agree with that all day long. As far as Shiba and trash, so, dude, you got to admit, Shiba Inu coin has one of the largest communities in the entire world, so you can't necessarily just throw it away. According to Shiba Inu developers, nothing is really going to happen with burns for about 8 to 12 months. Yeah. Giovanni, I saw her tweet today. I am going to address that tweet in one of the videos tonight. Let me say this, dude. Since you guys are, you the true bros, you're in here on the lives, you're always in here and that kind of stuff. Dude, 8 to 12 months from now, there's going to be some other excuse that comes up. Okay, Lucy's got a decent way of making people look to the long term, getting that longer term mentality in play. But they absolutely need to begin addressing burns. Otherwise, we will be 8 to 10 months, 12 months down the road. And maybe we've got 1 million wallets, 2 million wallets, whatever we got. We might be doing 1 million transactions a day by then. Things are looking great, but if that burn fee still requires 1 trillion transactions to burn Shiba Inu coin, it doesn't matter if it's 8 to 12 months down the road. We are still going to burn 0 Shiba Inu coin. So I just want to know, look, if I was trying to string you guys along, and I realized nothing was happening now, and then I begin to tell you this story about, well, 8 to 12 months from now, you might see something. What am I going to tell you 8 to 12 months from now when nothing has changed? Or what am I going to tell you 8 to 12 months from now when, do I begin to think about that story now? Or do I just get to it when I get to it? And I'll address it when we get there. So I got to know what's going on in their minds. They can lead you and put that carrot 8 to 12 months down the road. Well, you're not dumb, dude. You're going to know 8 to 12 months from now that nothing's changed. Do they just say you got to give it another 8 to 12 months? This was never going to be a short... okay, well, is 10 years a short-term thing? Is 25,000? Is 2 quadrillion years? Is that long enough period to see the first burn? Or where are we at there? All we got to do is raise that transaction fee, man. And then we're going to be burning like crazy. I messaged. I did not get... It's mine. Let me see if I got a DM back yet. I'm better off buying Bone. Well, you're better off buying Bone if you are investing in the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem team. Then you're better off buying Bone. I want to see something. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, so I'm going to read through that Shib burn Twitter account. You guys know the one that tracks the burns for Shiba Inu coin. He sent me 3 really long messages. I'm going to have to go through those after the live stream and, see. So I basically asked if that Shib burn Twitter account would be able to track the transactions, the transaction burnt fee, and be able to display that number. Because I am I wasn't frozen, JB. I was reading. I'm extremely doubtful that the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem team is going to display that number of total burnt bone that's sitting in the account waiting for somebody to click that button that says burn, because we have to wait until we get 25,000 bone to be able to burn. So I know that they're not going to display that number anytime soon. They're going to try their best to ignore the questions about the amount of bone that is accumulated to burn. And it doesn't seem like it's going to be as easy as I would have hoped for. But, I mean, he's on the right thing. He's talking about burnt fee times the transactions. He says, but considering there haven't been any burns so far, it's possible to give you a rough estimate of the amount. Burnt fee times the transactions. Right? He's right. It won't be an exact amount because the fee can vary slightly. Yes, I completely agree with that. Okay? The thing is, though, I don't know if there's a way. Actually, any of you guys that are like heavy into the blockchain, Etherscan, Shibarium scan, and so on, would there be a way to track that burnt fee on each transaction? And then simply, get a database together and multiply that out or add all those together. So, yeah, dude, it is, it's very low amounts, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like 7 zeros. The 7 zeros and a 1 for the amount of total burn that we would have accumulated so far. In order to get 7 zeros, I mean, you're going to need another... Dude, I don't even know. 7 zeros. Multiply the amount of transactions we have so far by 1 million, 10 million, whatever that is, to take all those zeros away before we get one bone being burnt. And he said we could do something to track it, but means that we need to check on the fee for each transaction, even though it might start feeling repetitive on the amount we show. I would have to run a node from now nodes, coming soon, perhaps to show the reality with burns on Shibarium considering the current rate. It's going to take quite a bit of time before we witness any burns coming from Shibarium. Yeah, exactly. To put it in perspective, the activity will have to be 10,000 times what it has just managed since its launch to burn 1 bone token. No, actually more than that, because 6 zeros, you're only deleting... It's going to need to be 1 million times what we've already done, because you only got 4 zeros there. For a burn to happen on the Ethereum chain, we're talking about 25 million times what it's done so far. 130 trillion transactions with the current fees. I mean, his numbers are right, man. His numbers are right. I'm sitting here reading his numbers. He's got the same ones I got. 130 trillion plus transactions. Of course, things could change, but I'm a bit doubtful of how much change we can really expect, even if they were to hold votes. The problem is that the system seems a bit too controlled by a small group, including those validators, who's really making decisions, Absolutely. So, yeah, dude. I don't know if Shib Burn's going to be able to get a total in there, and I don't know if the total is actually worth getting. I'm glad I went on an entire rant, because now I have no idea where we were, what we were talking about beforehand. But I do think that would be a decent thing for Shib Burn to be able to display, or somebody to be able to display in order to see total cumulative Shib transaction or Shib burns that could be from Shibarium. Giovanni, hopefully that answers your question, man. In 12 to 15 months, we will be entering a major bull market. Well, hopefully, Kenneth. I mean, we can hope for administrative change one way or another. It's got to be better than what we're currently facing, and I hope the economy does take off, and you're right. Biggest problem with Shib is the 8 zeros. Yeah, Mike, we got a lot of problems with Shiba Inu coin right now. We just need it to go up in price. Hubro tagged you on Twitter, my amazing city and exchange, and something special for you that will support the bro army and community for the future of Clay. Man, I am beat. Nightcloud Cow, glad to have you. What comes first, Dogecoin and dollar or Shib? Shib 3 zeros and a 5. Dogecoin at $1 seems a little bit more plausible than Shib 3 zeros and a 5. The Dogecoin at $1 is like a 40% premium to its all-time high. Shib to 3 zeros and a 5, that's a much larger gain to where we are right now. I might send 9 million to a dead wallet just to say I helped. Keep it for yourself, Night Cow. Keep it for yourself. Don't burn it, man. I mean it. Sorry, it was 12 zeros. It's too many zeros, Mike. It's still too many zeros. Even 8 is too many zeros. Isn't Lucy the same person that talked about 5 trillion burn per month? She tripping? Yeah. I forget which Twitter account it was that originally started the 5 trillion per month rumor, but Lucy is the same person that has been, sharing articles and kind of perpetuating the idea that we are going to see 5 trillion Shib burned per month for quite some time now. So, yes, same person, different personality. Oops, didn't mean to say it out loud. Next happening, I hope we got it, man. Geo, the first will probably be Doge, just because Elon talks about it and Shib kind of piggybacks off of it. Elon will probably incorporate Doge into Twitter X. Yeah, he probably will, man. I agree with you guys on that one. I think that Elon Musk is going to bring Dogecoin to X. Is it X? Is it Twitter X? Is it Twitter? You guys know what I mean if I say Twitter. So I might continue to say Twitter until everybody's on board with X. Now, I was going to look at something, but I forget what I was going to look at. Darn it. Was it out here? No, now I have no idea what I was going to look at. All right. So you think Doge will reach $1? Kevin, I think Doge at $1 is much more plausible than you know, Shiba Inu coin at $1 or Shiba Inu coin at a penny and so on. Do I think it'll reach that level though? It's going to have to do so in a bull market. People are going to have to be on the meme coin hype again instead of joining in on something else, whether it be AI coins or whatever the next fad is going to be. It still has to be heavily focused on meme coins. And we need institutional money. So, you know what? Dogecoin at $1, not necessarily. We didn't have institutional money flowing in before. I think Dogecoin can reach $1, yes. Will it? It's a different story. Nobody knows what's going to happen. Dogecoin could be at a penny tomorrow. It could be back up to 50 cents tomorrow. Nobody ever really knows what's going to happen, but Dogecoin at $1 is not impossible. Dogecoin at $1 is what, like a, I don't know, $70 billion valuation or something along those lines? Oh, yeah, Twitter. PS5 was on Twitter. That's what I was going to try and go look at. X open here. Notifications. PS5. There's no personal income tax on the gains from cryptocurrency as of now. Hence, irrespective of your gains, you need not pay tax on any amount of cryptocurrency in Dubai. Nice. Yes, PS5, man. You can check it out right here. For the live on YouTube in Dubai with Claybro, this is the crypto-friendly ecosystem which supports the blockchain and the Claybro army. Let's go for leverage and spot for all traders with Mexi, Global, KuCoin, and Binance. Let's get started. I like it, man. Very, very nice PS5. Thank you very much for posting a picture like that, dude. Appreciate you on that one. And Dubai does look, I mean, Dubai looks beautiful, man. I don't know what the streets look like, but the skyline looks amazing right there. Appreciate the tweet, dude. Hey, bro, maybe if we can compare the last bull run when total crypto market cap and the amount of holders to date to try and work out, will it be the same all-time high? Yeah, let's see. I don't know if we can easily get total crypto wallets. Let's see if we got any easy numbers here. All right, let me say this. This is the first time I have seen this website, and I do not know what these wallets are or what they hold, okay? Please keep that in mind. This is the first time I have seen this website. This is supposedly blockchain.com wallet users worldwide, okay? And it seems as though we're talking about the amount of blockchain wallets, okay? It's looking at Coinbase, Blockchain Wallet, Crypto.com, whatever BRD is, Trust, Luno, Binance, Bitcoin Wallet by Bitcoin.com, Coinbase Wallets. So it does seem to be looking at a lot of different apps there. I have no idea what all is included in these figures. But if you look at the beginning of 2021, we were at about 66 million wallets in January 2021. Through 2021, November of 2021, rising nicely, about 79 million wallets. It has slowly increased since then, and we are seeing no real gains in total wallets right now at about 84, 85 million. So we do have slightly more wallets than the 79 million we had at the peak of the bull market in November of 2021. With that being said, let's just make the numbers easy. It's slightly under 10%, but right now we have about 10% more wallets than we did at the peak of 2021. Clearly, that would lead to, maybe a $3.3 trillion market cap. If that's all the wallets that were created, we have 10% more wallets. We've got the same amount of inflow during the next bull market. Previous bull market capped out at about a $3 trillion market cap. A 10% premium on that, $3.3 trillion market cap. Nothing to write home about. You got Bitcoin moving up to $77,000 in that scenario. You've got Shiba Inu coin sitting at about 10,000 points per coin in that scenario. Roughly a 15x gain from where we're at right now. So yeah, about a 10% premium on top of the all-time highs. What you're going to notice, though, is the amount of wallets should see an upswing. This is one of the first times we have leveled off an amount of wallets created. This bear market is much different than the bear markets of the past. Now, I don't know what this data shows. That's why I want that to be very clear. I don't know if all of these new exchanges coming out, so we're doubling, tripling wallets, steady growth though. But over this bear market, we've had no growth in wallets. It's pretty hard to see. So whoever's in the crypto game, we're not seeing growth during this bear market like we saw back in 2018, 19, and 2020. The amount of wallets were still growing there. I would imagine during the next bull market, we see this begin to swing up once again, curling up and moving higher. Therefore, if we run from 80 million wallets to 90, 100, 150 million wallets, then we, based on your assumption, the amount of holders times the previous all-time market caps, we might be looking at a $5-6 trillion market cap. So I don't know if that much retail is going to jump on board and create that many wallets, though. I think the next bull market is going to be dictated by the amount of institutional money flowing in. But that is an interesting metric you've got there, man. It is an interesting one that you can look at and check it out. I'm not sure about Baby Doge, but it does hold Doge, yes. Danelle! What's going on, Danelle? Hello, Clay and Clay Bros. Happy hump day. Oh, yes. Danelle, glad to have you in here. Great answer. Thank you. Kevin, absolutely, man. Anyone on here having Fidelity or currently having issues? I'm not on Fidelity, so I would not know. That is awesome. PS5? Yes, it is. I think Shiba Inu will shed at least 3 zeros by the end of the year. Money Patootie. If it does, I'm going to be very, very happy. Nick F. Good afternoon to you, Nick F. Glad you're in here, man. Hopefully you stay for the rest of the live stream and hang out with us. Do you think the squeeze play is over for AMC? I'm down thousands. Abdullahi Muhammad, man. Sorry if I mispronounced your name there. Right now, yes, I do, okay? Let me explain why. Because right now, if things continue along the same path, there will be no squeeze, in my opinion. So right now, I believe something has to change before we see a possible squeeze in AMC. Why do I say that? Because if you look at the amount of reported short shares outstanding, and everything that is in the light is true. If that's the case, there's 15-20 million short shares that are outstanding on AMC, and Adam Aaron will be diluting directly to the hedge funds an additional 25 million shares of AMC. Now, a lot of people think the shorts covering means the shorts closing, and that's not the same situation. The shorts can continue to hedge their short positions with long positions. In essence, they've covered because they already own the shares that they need to own, but they may not close out at that time. Now you might be saying, okay, well, when they go to close out, we're going to see a rally in price. No, because they already own those shares. They're simply going to cover those, they're going to close out their shorts with shares that they already own. They're buying. If you don't believe that they already own them, they are going to be buying enough shares to cover the entire reported short interest directly from Adam Aaron, and they don't have to give you a dime from it. Adam Aaron is the one who is going to be benefiting from that, and AMC Entertainment's balance sheet is going to be benefiting from that. So I look at it like this. How could I expect a short squeeze when the entire idea of a short squeeze is don't sell to the hedge funds, when Adam Aaron is directly selling to the hedge funds in quantities that exceed the amount of reported short shares? So unless something changes now, I think that the short squeeze is going to be hard to come by. I would hope that something changes, but I don't think that the community is what the community used to be. I don't think that the idea behind it is what it used to be. People could wake up, man, and they could begin to distrust Adam Aaron and move in a different path, and then things could start looking great again. But right now, man, I'm kind of disgusted the way that things have gone. Better late than never, Gen G, absolutely. Come on, guys, let's clicky that likey. Listen to Danelle and clicky that likey. If Shiba got rid of 3 zeros by the end of the year at Money Patootie, I will be rich. Yeah, dude, at 3 zeros is 1,000x. It's about 100x gain from where we're at, because we are so close to taking out that first zero already. It's about 100x gain. So, yes, guys. I mean, multiply it out. It might end up being like 150x gain. But, dude, I don't even think I'll hold it that high. Okay? If Shiba Inu coin were to run like that, I don't think I would hold it for 150x gain. From where we are right now, I think that unless I woke up and something amazing happened, I probably wouldn't. Off to work, toodles all. Kai, enjoy your day, man. Thanks for being in here. Nufo, yes, Danelle knows what it is. Game over for AMC. They now have to work for their money, and Adam Aaron isn't going to do that. You know, Just Jeff, I believe this. A lot of stuff that you see on Twitter, and look, I hope that I'm not making anybody mad by saying this, but sometimes people need to hear the truth, even if it hurts a little. So please don't get mad at me for, displaying what I believe and what I think the truth is. But I think that Adam Aaron, a lot of people on Twitter, this is where I was going with it. A lot of people on Twitter are like, Adam Aaron has to be silent right now. He's in a silent phase. He's not allowed to sway the opinion of the stock. After corporate action, CEOs have to be quiet. So he's getting ready to pounce on the shorts and all that. Look, I think Adam Aaron got what he wants. I think Adam Aaron is now done with retail. He's not going to need retail again now until he needs another approval. More shares authorized. I think he accomplished exactly what he wanted to do. He came in, he got his vote, he got his authorized shares. He's right back in the position that he needs to be in, and I think that he is just going to ghost us at this point. I truly do believe that. You guys can make it whatever situation you want, but when somebody gets what they want and they don't need you anymore, and their only intentions were ever to use you, I think that they're going to drop you, right? And that's harsh, and I think that that's what Adam Aaron is currently doing right now. Danelle! Oh, yes, Danelle coming in with another unicorn. Danelle, thank you what is that, like a double horn? It was almost a double horn. Danelle, thank you very much for the Thank you very much, Danelle, for the unicorn. Just Jeff, don't scare me like that. Jeff, dude, thank you for the super chat as well. We've got the unicorn. We've got the, whatever that scared face is, Just Jeff and Danelle. Appreciate both of you guys for those super chats right there. Oh, yes. Let's see what he says. Giovanni says, so they will be, Steven, I don't know if you're talking about Shib or if you're talking about AMC. I have no faith in Adam Aaron, I'll tell you that. So, they will be burning Bone. Bone only has 250 million. Wouldn't that make Bone go up super fast? Well, Giovanni, it's going to be very difficult to burn Bone if they're going to be burning it. But no, the burn fee is accumulated in Bone, and then that Bone is going to be sold off. It's going to buy Shiba Inu coin, and then the Shib is going to be burned. The Shibarium is not going to be burning Bone. But I will say this, dude. So, if you've got $10, you can burn, 7-8 Bone? If you've got $10, you can burn 1.2 million Shiba Inu coin. So, no, I don't think anybody's going to get excited about, well, I just burned 8 bone. I just burned 7 bone. I don't think people are really going to get excited about that. So, I don't know who's burning bone. The Shibarium's not going to be burning bone. Gonna be adding to my Shib bag like it's my 401k every paycheck, taking out 15 to 20%. Hey, Steven, man, I absolutely hope that works out for you. I'll say this, dude. I'm optimistic for the next bull run. And if you can reasonably take 15 to 20% out of your paycheck and add it to your cryptocurrency account, that's awesome. I don't know if I could, in good faith, say, yeah, dude, go 100% into Shib. That's clearly your decision to make. Diversification is going to be a lot safer. But, yeah, dude, I mean, if you can stack up and buy in and continue to buy in at these low prices during the bear market, you know, it's going to be the same way that we saw in 2018, 2019, 2020. Nobody wanted to buy Ethereum, and these cryptos did nothing but go down. And then when they ripped, everybody wished that they had bought just $1,000 worth of them. Because you would have been talking about $30, $40, $50, $60,000, man. Like $20,000 at the minimum that you would have gained on those cryptos during the bull market. So yeah, dude, you know, you're gonna see some benefits during the next bull market. Danelle! Danelle. I love popcorn. Danelle, thank you very much for that popcorn super chat. And thank you, Danelle. Oh, yeah. Thank you, Danelle. Oh, yeah. Thank you, Danelle. One more time. Oh, yes. Thank you, Danelle, for the super chat. That little lemonhead friend, man. I like that guy. He's looking good. And an absolute appreciation. Danelle coming in hot today. I love it. Danelle, thank you very much for all of that. Clear, if you look at high coins like high MAYC, high ENS4, they are all-time high, losing many zeros. Can we compare them to Shib as long-term investments? Dang, PS5 maybe, but I don't know anything about those two coins. So I don't know how we could necessarily compare them to Shiba Inu coin. Dang, these got low market caps. I'll tell you that right now. Let's see. All right, what do we got here? May 26th. Nice. That's my birthday. All right, so let's just see what we got real quick. May 26th, about a $1.29 million market cap. All right, May 26th at 8 cents. $1.29 million market cap. 8x to get back up there. Yeah, that's legitimate. So I don't know why it's not tracking its market cap prior to May 26th there. I don't know if it hasn't been on long enough or if the circulating supply wasn't verified or whatever. But if this coin, yes, basically 60 X's from where we are right now, which is apparently a possibility, unless, of course, they massively diluted to get it back down to a penny. I wish I knew more about coins like this, what they do, where they came from, and so on. But if you're looking at these price levels right here at $300,000, let's see if I got a calculator that I can pull up real quick. Let's go 40 billion. That's 40 billion divided by $330,000. Wow, dude. Okay, so if something like I don't know if that's Mutant Ape Yacht Club or what that is, High Mac, were to get up to the all-time high valuations of Shiba Inu coin, you would be looking at a 121,000x from the current levels. So Every dollar you invest, you're going to be walking away with $120,000 if it reaches the all-time high market cap of Shiba Inu coin. I don't know anything about it to say whether or not it's possible. Clearly, there might be like 10 people invested in this coin. I do not know. But, yeah, dude, if you're looking at those all-time high market caps, you would be looking at a 120,000x. Now, what price does that equal out to? Times. So that would mean that this coin would go up to about $1,200 a coin. Okay? Keep that in mind, man. $1,200 coin if it reaches the all-time high market cap of Shiba Inu coin. Is it possible? I have no clue. I would bet against it, simply because what Shib did was phenomenal. But, yeah, dude, you'd be looking at some serious money. Every dollar turns into $100,000. Dude, invest $10 and you got $1 million. Michael Rage, man, thank you very much for this. I love it when it's got the balloons and the big one on there, meaning it was your first super chat. Michael, man, thank you very much for that. Keep up the great job, bro. Michael, really appreciate it, dude. Thank you very much for letting me be the first super chat right there, and thank you very much for the positive words. I got a guarantee for you right now, Michael. I will keep up the current job that I am doing. I appreciate you saying it's a great job, and I cannot thank you guys enough for the positive feedback and just the support you show. My goodness, man, we live in an internet world full of hate, and you got guys like Michael out there sitting there telling you to keep up the great job. I don't even know Michael. I could pass the dude on the street, wouldn't even know who he is, and this dude is sitting there ready to spread some positivity. That is the type of internet activity people should be doing. Dude, could you imagine? Instead of these, little girls in high school being like, oh, man, I got internet bullied today. Could you just imagine a world where on the internet, people are like, oh, yeah, my friend told me to keep up the great job. Keep doing it. Keep pushing forward. Mike, man, thank you very much for that super chat. I appreciate that. First super chat. Really don't even recognize the name being in here too often in the chat. Awesome. I love it. Michael, thank you. And I guarantee I'm going to keep it up. There's literally nothing is going to stop me from keeping up the good and great job that you say. I could get sick, dude. I'm still going to be here. I get hit in the side of the head, dude. I'm disformed, and I might be like in the shadows, lurking like Phantom of the Opera or something. I might have like a bro mask that you guys can't see the side of my head that I got clobbered on, but I will be here. I mean, they literally have to take my mind before I could stop speaking it. So, Mike, man, thank you. I've been buying more Crow since it's severely undervalued. Not trying to make millions, just enough to be comfortable since I like working. And we go off during the C word and couldn't stand it. Yeah, Jesse, man. You'll be able to figure out what you want to do as well. So, Crow, I like it as well. I do hold some Crow. I believe that Crow is going to be doing very well during the next bull market. Crypto.com coin or Kronos, whatever you guys are calling it these days, when people begin signing back up and active users on exchanges begin to increase, that's when you're going to see exchange coins like Crypto.com coin, BNB, and Coinbase's stock. But coins like that, KuCoin, it has a coin as well. It's like $5 or $6 right now. It's pretty low. That's when you're going to see those types of coins really thriving and moving up in value. Nice, Michael Rage. Yes, dude, I love it. PSA, Fidelity currently having server issues. Frank, thank you very much for keeping everybody updated. Bro, I know you mostly go over crypto, but do you have any idea what Mullen is and thoughts on it? Yeah, Steven, man, absolutely. A lot of the videos are on crypto. It doesn't mean we don't talk about stocks in here all the time. I got my start talking about stocks, and I absolutely love stocks. I actually have more stocks than I do crypto. So it's just people seem to be more interested in crypto at times than individual stocks. I do not like Molinado. Okay, there's a lot of people in here that do like Molinado. It is an extremely cheap stock, but dude, to me, it seems plagued. Okay. When I see graphs like this, my immediate thought is not, ooh, yeah, let's go buy this company that over the last couple of years went from $130,000 a share to 50 cents. Okay, my immediate thought is don't buy that. It might look cheap, yes, but stocks tend to continue doing what they're doing as opposed to shifting course and beginning to move higher. Every time you have seen a little rally in Mullen, it is followed by massive, massive losses. So things could change if Mullen Auto begins selling cars and creating revenue on their own and so on. But I'm going to say this, okay? I believe that the latest with Mullen Auto's CEO trying to sue New York Stock Exchange or whoever it is for the issuance of fake shares and naked shorts, dude, I believe that is a move of desperation. So I am not necessarily, I don't own any Mullen Auto yet. I am not necessarily Mullen Auto is really going to do well unless it starts making and selling cars and quickly. Michael again! Thank you very much for the super chat. Your knowledge and positivity is priceless. Michael, dude, you know what? You just fed off that positivity and gave me even more positivity. I appreciate that so much. And guys, please, test my knowledge. Test my knowledge. I am more than... sometimes, we have a little fun on the live streams. All of that. But man, just go ahead, ask some questions, see what I think about stuff. It doesn't have to be all fun and games. We can absolutely learn stuff, but I am more than willing to share any and every experience that I have with stocks, crypto, investments, and so on. Gains and losses, been through them both. The best I can do, man, I can tell you what I know, and then you can go from there, interpret my experiences into your own, and then make decisions based on it, right? I can't make decisions for you, but dude, don't lose because I've lost. Understand maybe why I've lost in something before. Don't necessarily gain because I gain, but understand why I gained and then make decisions, dude. Michael, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Gosh, dude, I'm loving it right now. Thank you very much, man. Appreciate you bringing the positivity in here today. I have 13,000 in Mullen at a 244 average. Ugh. Dude, I hope it jumps for you. Steven, man, I hope it jumps for you. I don't know how long I'd be holding in if it did jump for you and you were able to get back in positive territory. Mullen buys back 2 million more shares of Mullen stock today. Run for Mullen. 2 million shares, $1 million worth, right? At 50 cents, $1 million worth. Like and subscribe. Become a bro. Listen to... No, why don't you, man? Yeah, Kenneth, I'm happy they're having buybacks and opening lawsuits, but they can't seem to get on the run for more than a few percent and then right back down. Yeah, it's crazy. So the best gain that they've recently had was about that 100% gain when it ran from like 39 cents to 86 cents that day. And then the next day, I think it was testing the 90s and then right back down. 70 cents, 60 cents, and then where we are now at 50 cents. Yeah, if you look at the hourly chart here, boom. No, this is price split adjusted. Kind of ignore that. Mullen, jumping on the news that the CEO had issued a letter going from 39 cents up to 96 cents, and then just slowly, instead of the declining, finding a little bit of support in this 50 cents area right here. But, man, Mullen seems to get hit every time it has a little bit of a gain. Mullen just wants to drop that gain, and that's tough to see. Definitely don't ask him about fantasy football. Well, you can ask me about fantasy football, or any sport for that matter, but I can guarantee you are going to learn quickly that I have no idea what I'm talking about. Let's see. I hope you're right, Gio. Didn't see what Gio said. Earlier this month, Mullen bought back 3.7 million shares with $3.62 million. I like share buybacks. Okay, I do, because share buybacks typically indicate that a company believes that their stock price is undervalued. I don't think, unless they're trying to manipulate people's minds, I don't think that they would be buying them back. You haven't seen AMC buying any shares back, but I do like the sense that they're doing that. I don't keep up to date on everything Mullen does, so I had no idea that they were doing buybacks there, but that should at least indicate that their executives believe that Mullen is undervalued. Just kidding. No, listen. Yeah, I mean, you guys can ask about fantasy football, but I'm being dead serious. I literally know nothing, and I'm not. Some people think that I'm like, just playing around, and because I literally can't name anybody other than Travis Kelce. Is that his name? In the NFL. The only reason I can name him is because you guys were talking about him earlier. I can't name any. Patrick Mahomes. I don't know if he plays or not, but I know he's in a lot of commercials right now. That's it, man. That's all I got in terms of who's playing. What team does Mahomes play for? I have no idea. What team does Kelce play for? I have no idea. I'm not even I can't even joke about that. Sports knowledge, who's your first round pick and why? Kelce, because he's the only player I know the name of. Oh, Bronson, man. That's about all I got, dude. Christian McCaffrey and Brock Purdy. There you go. Don't know if those are just two guys you know, Bree Guy, or if they're in the NFL. Just some non-financial advice, because those two coins, plus Psy Fluff, are the biggest gainers in crypto today on their daily charts. Love you, bro, and thank you. Absolutely, PS5. Appreciate you for bringing those guys up, because they do have very low market caps. But I know people are looking to add, $5, $10 into a lot of these lottery ticket plays during the bear market, because it could absolutely turn into something. If you put $5 in 100 different coins, dude, let's say you did hit on 2 of them and they saw 100x gains, you're gonna be making some sick money during the bull market. So it could absolutely work out for you. You just gotta be diversified enough to take advantage of some of them. The volume since the split has been trading the entire float every 1 to 2 days. Are you talking Mullen or are you talking AMC, William? Sorry, Bree. McCaffrey won't be available. J-Bone's picking up. Is J-Bone's picking up whoever that is? It was in Mullen at 8 cents. Good news is that they're making deliveries on the orders. Yeah, that is great news, Kenneth. That's all I want to see businesses do, is generating their own revenue. Because, dude, during this bear market over the last 2 years, and with all of the lockdown mentality, what we have seen in both retail minds and business minds is that, somebody else is going to pay your bills for you. I don't have to pay my rent. The government's going to pay it for me. I don't have to pay my student loans. The government's going to pay it for me. I don't have to pay my taxes. Oh, yeah, wait. Yes, you do, because that's going to the government. You do have to pay your taxes. They're not going to let that one slide. I don't have to pay my grocery bill. The government's going to pay it for me. Retail, or the businesses are thinking, I don't have to pay my bills. I just issue more shares. I don't have to pay my bills. Retail is going to pay it for me. I don't have to pay my bills. Let's just issue that stock. So we have seen a very negative shift in mentality from people's responsibility over the last couple of years, and it's affected business as well, man. So I just hope that they go out there and make some money. Do you know who Tom Brady is? Yeah, but does he play? I know that Tom Brady is a quarterback, but does Tom Brady still play football? That's the question. I don't know if Tom Brady still plays football. Hoybro, where's Bitcoin headed? I'm still in that short from yesterday. Ooh, yes. All right, where's it headed right now? All right, so this is we drew a bull flag on the price earlier today. So this is what you got right now, man. You got Bitcoin wedging down on this beautiful looking bull flag here, okay? Basically setting up lower resistance right there. Let's go nice and thick, baby. Let's go nice and thick. Okay. So you do have this beautiful bull flag being presented right here. This is an hourly chart. I would actually say you've got maybe 1 or 2 more hours, maybe 3, I don't know, before this wedge would eventually be broken. Clearly, it can decide to just channel in this area, but I don't know which direction it wants to break out in. It does seem to have a little bit of hourly resistance in the 27.3 area, but if things don't continue in the overall uptrend that we were seeing since that news was released, my best guess is back down. Okay? And that I want to emphasize my best guess, because clearly it could break out of the upside. But this is what I would be looking at, this little wedge, to make your determination. If it does break out of this area right here and it gets back above this level at about 27.3, I'd say we could be up for another leg to the upside. But I'm just feeling some negative sentiment on it right now, and the fact that it might pull back off of the grayscale hype that we've had over the last, I don't know, what is it, 30 hours or so since it began to run yesterday morning. So a little bit of a bull flag playing out here on the hourly chart. That's what I'd be looking at to make that determination. The only two people Clay knows who are on the same team, Kansas City. And that's probably because they were in the Super Bowl, right? And they're popular right now. And they're in commercials. Dak Prescott is the greatest quarterback in NFL history. Now, isn't Johnny Money or whatever his name was, guy that was on the Cleveland Browns for a minute, Manziel? Was that what his name was? Oh gosh, man, what you want to talk about Mullen Otto of the NFL world? Look at the Browns, man. I'm taking the water boy, dude. Kevin, I would jump the water boy as well. Michael Phelps, yeah, he's a good one. I'm going Michael Phelps first round. Well, dude, you want that? You want the gold medals, man? You got them. Tom Brady, Aaron Rodgers, Brett Favre. Brett Favre doesn't play football anymore, though. You guys can't give me these people that don't play football. Any of them still playing? I don't think. Brett Favre don't play no more, man. Brett Favre ain't playing football. Steven Silverman, like Clay said, their stock is way undervalued. They have money coming in with a little delivery car in Asia and trucks from Bollinger that they bought. Plus, they have floor plans. I don't know. Their stock is undervalued if they begin to generate some more revenue. All right, I want to point that out. Their stock is undervalued if they can generate. If they're not generating revenue, they're just going to continue diluting until they die. So watch out for that. But yeah, dude. I mean, when you look at a company, Mullen's got what, like $100 million valuation, $103 million valuation right now, dude. I know they're not Tesla, but Tesla can knock on the door of $1 trillion. Dude, Mullen Otto could 1,000x, and it would be at a, what, $10 billion, no, $100 billion valuation. So it could be 1/10 the size of Tesla and still 1,000x to get there. But they're definitely not a Tesla, man. You know, they got to sell cars. You've got to sell cars. Oh, Bitcoin, bring it back up here. All right, cool. What do we got? Let's get back to the check. Clay bull flags can form a bear flag and vice versa with each other. Yeah, look, anything can happen on that wedge. Anything can happen on that wedge breakout. I am certainly not a believer that anything has to result in a bullish pattern afterwards. Smash the likey. Listen to Kombu, man. Kenneth, I hope everything works out. If we can squeeze it $2.50 to $5, I'll be very happy. Steven, I think that's actually reasonable. Clay, don't listen to him. Noodle Toes, I'll listen to you, man. I'll listen to you. Noodle Toes, keep me straight on the football. Bronson Kombu, Noodle Toes, howdy, what's going on, Danelle? After further review, we the people decided that you should not play fantasy football unless you have someone helping you. I've got you guys helping me, Jesse. I've got you guys helping me. Dude, it's going to be so funny. I'm going to talk so much crap when I win this fantasy football league with the vast amount of knowledge that I have. It is going to be so funny when I win this bad boy and you guys lost to somebody who literally can't name a single player in the NFL. It is going to be a thing of absolute beauty. Now you can finally sleep without any nightmares and using risk management and dream like a baby. You're awesome as always. PS5 Future Gaming. Appreciate you, dude. You're awesome as always. Always bringing in excellent questions, man. Clear bro, I had a crazy idea that maybe you can help promote. If every single wallet holder of Shib burns $10 per week, that's 1.2 trillion Shiba Inu coin per week of Shib burned. We have the Shib army, we fight. Yeah, Steven, listen, ideas like that are excellent. I know some wallets don't even hold $10 worth of Shiba Inu coin, though. So, I know some people can't join in on that. right? There's some wallets that hold less than 1 million Shib, and therefore they wouldn't even be able to burn that amount. I am a strong believer that we shouldn't just be burning our own money, even though if everybody joined in, there's always going to be some idiot that, 1, 2, 3, let's jump in the pool, and then you and 2 friends jump in, and then somebody else doesn't do it. They just laugh. So there's always going to be people who don't participate in those burns. So I am a believer that the best way to burn any sort of Shib or any sort of token is to leverage that opportunity. Somehow create a scheme, create a business, create a marketing plan where you burning is going to bring you more benefit than the amount of money that you burned. For example, I'll sell you a t-shirt. I'll sell you the t-shirt for $30. I'm going to burn $10. I'm going to profit $5, and you're going to see $10 worth of Shib burned, and you got a shirt. So everybody walks away a winner in that situation. I never would have sold the shirt in the first place. So I actually profit $5 more than I would have if I didn't do any burns, because I never would have sold the shirt to you. You get a shirt. Hey man, $30 for a shirt, that's kind of a normal price for a t-shirt. And then we burn $10 worth of Shiba Inu coin. So opportunities like that, I believe, would be extremely beneficial. My mind starts to go crazy. You guys talk about Picoin earlier. I didn't really know anything about Picoin. I know that you can mine it essentially for free, and mining Picoin for free. I didn't know how those rewards were taking place there. So you watch an ad, okay, and then you get rewarded in Picoin. Imagine if you watched that ad and it simply just burnt Shiba Inu coin. Okay, let's say I don't know what the percentage is, half, 50, 30, 70, whatever you set it up with. But the guy that sets it up, just like Picoin, instead of watching that ad and earning Pi, you watch that ad and you burn 10 Shib. Okay? Think about that. Dude, you could leave a computer running for 24 hours a day, and you could be burning massive amounts of Shib, literally going to cost you nothing. The advertisers get ad revenue. I mean, the advertisers are playing their ads. You're clearly watching them, listening to them, whatever, and Shib is getting burned. There are excellent ways. Pi, somebody sent me a thing earlier, Pi's got like 40 million users. Imagine if 40 million people signed up to burn Shib. Simply by clicking on that ad right there, man. Amazing things can happen when people really try to make it happen. So I think there's a lot of opportunities, man. Let's see. How do you feel about SCI? I got a bunch in the money right now. Nah, man. Michael, let's see SEI real quick. SEI was very popular a couple of, weeks ago when it was listed, but I don't know where it's at right now. So SEI sitting at 15 cents. I believe it was at 20 cents not too long ago. Yeah, above 20. It was at 27, fell down, is on his way back up right now. Trading view, perfect. This is, no, let's go hourly here. Let's take a look at this on the hourly. So, I wish doesn't want to move. Doesn't want to move right, but if you've got your horizontal line, you can see there's a decent level of support in this area right here. Going to be a decent level of resistance right where we're at right now. Boom, came down and tested it. Finally broke down a little bit and using it as resistance right now. I do think if it bounces back up above this, you might see a little bit of a run back to that 20-cent range, which would be very nice. But I don't know what these guys do and why they were so popular when they got listed there. There's not really a ton of data to work with. They came out August 16th, and it's August 30th now. There's not enough necessarily to work with, but I like the fact that they're trying to bounce back right now. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Yes, it is. 1776. 10 months, bro. Thanks for the great videos, Clay. Absolutely, man. You take that banana, you lick it, and you stick it. 1776. Appreciate you on that member chat. Guys, get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs. We will be back tonight with videos. Watch them 100 times, man. Click the like button, comment, all that good stuff. Let's do these shout-outs, and we will be back. Steven, enjoy your evening. Appreciate you very much for being active today, man. Danelle, Steven, 775, a Bree guy. Kenneth, enjoy your day, man. Frank, see you later. Gorilla, Frank, we got Kombu, bro coin, baby. Let's get started. 1776, Pudgy saying, peace out of the diamond-handed wrench clowns. Oh, yeah. Gorilla, enjoy your evening, man. Danelle, see you later. Kombu, Gorilla, Danelle, 1776. Gorilla Invictus, Danelle to Pluto. Oh, Danelle to Pluto. Yes, Nufo. Enjoy your evening, man. PS5, see you later. Bree guy, DC fan for life. Peace out to you. Peace, Clay, bro. Peace, Steven. Jack Sparrow, later to you as well. You guys know what time it is. You want to say it with me, Jeff? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Pudgy says, nope, we're not leaving. I thought we were. Nope, we're not leaving. Pudgy, I thought we were leaving. Nope, we are not leaving. See, this dude does know when to send it. I know he intentionally sent that unicorn late during the last live stream. Pudgy, man, thank you very much for this super chat. Shoutouts to Just Jeff, Kevin Riley, man, enjoy it. Pudgy, thank you very much again. Danelle, Giovanni, Michael Rage, really appreciate you today, Michael. Thank you very much for those super chats and all of the positive and kind words, man. Kombu, enjoy your day. All of you guys know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Nope, I almost thought we were leaving. Nope, we're not leaving. Pudgy, I thought we were going, but nope, I was wrong again. Oh my goodness, this dude. I don't stand a chance, do I? I don't stand a chance. Pudgy, thank you very much for the super chat. And yeah, I think we're going to be leaving this time, but who the heck knows, man. Kombu, Kenneth, Pudgy, Bree Guy, all of you guys know what time it is. You want to say it? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Oh, Pudgy. I thought we were going this time. Pudgy, man. Oh my god, we are not getting out of here now. You guys are ridiculous. Pudgy, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Michael Rage, thank you very much as well. I'm game, baby. Keep it going. Oh, I knew we were never getting out of here. Look what you started, Pudgy. Look what you started, man. I thought we were leaving for sure. Michael says he's game now. We're going to keep this one going. We're not going anywhere. And Nufo joining in now. Nufo says, give me some of that king milk, Clay, bro. Oh, some of that milk, right? Some of that king milk. Some of that king milk right there. Yes, you got that king milk. Nufo, appreciate you on the super chat, you guys. Oh my gosh. Even Kenneth jumping in. Nope. We're back, baby. We are back. And we're back with a little black cat, Danelle. Meow. 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 Thank you very much, Danelle, for the super chat. We got Kenneth with a super chat. Nufo with that king milk. Michael Rage keeping it going, baby. Oh, yes. Kombu trying it out again. I don't know what a dolphin sounds like, man. Kombu, thank you very much for the super chat. Oh, we got King Dolphins, we got Black Cats, we got Kenneth in the chat, Nufo with the King Milk, Michael Rage, yes, you guys are keeping it going, you guys are an absolute inspiration, and Pudgy, I blame you, man, I blame you, we were almost gone, but I've got to blame, Kenneth, you guys know I gotta pee, man, what are you doing, Kenneth, thank you very much for the, Kenneth, thank you very much for the super chat. We are going to be good to go. I don't know if I'm ever going to go to the bathroom today or not. Even Steven jumping in on this one. Look at this. This guy FOMOing into the super chats right now. Throwing out that first super chat. Steven, man, thank you very much. I've never seen anybody FOMO into a super chat overtime before. Steven, thank you very much for the super chat, man. I love it when it's got that one on there. Absolutely appreciate it, dude. You guys got Steven FOMOing into the super chat overtime right now. I love it. I thought we were leaving. Nope. Watch Flippery says that. Yeah, dude. I'm gonna go watch dolphin noises so I can get better at making my dolphin noise. Pudgy, I thought we were leaving. Nope. Oh man, is overtime over? Nope. Oh, it's gonna be over soon. I know it will. Nope. Pudgy says you can't leave just yet. What about now? Can I leave now? I think I could probably leave now. Kombu, man, thank you very much. Danelle, absolutely appreciate the super chats. Kenneth, man, keeping it real in here. Steven, FOMOing into the super chats. Love it. Oh, this dude, that's messed up, Pudgy. That's actually messed up. I know you are not authorizing my hydration because you want to see me hydrated. You're authorizing my hydration because you know I have to pee right now. Pudgy, thank you very much for the super chat. And just the bittersweet authorized hydration. It's actually really good if I knew that I was going to be able to leave right now. It's really bad if I know you're coming back with something else to keep me coming back in here. Pudgy, thank you very much. Kombu, appreciate you. Kenneth, Danelle, Pudgy, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Fist, boom. Fist, boom. Fist, boom. Fist, boom, baby. Kenneth, thank you very much for the fist bumps as well. My gosh. See, this is not because it's hot in this room right now. It's actually only 65 degrees outside. It's very reasonable in this room, but that's because I gotta go to the bathroom. Kenneth, appreciate. Oh my gosh, Pudgy, you got me again, Pudgy. Thank you very much for the super chat, Kenneth. Appreciate it. Pudgy, Danelle, Kenneth, Kombu, Pudgy, Steven, Kenneth, all of you guys, man. Even Bree Guy. Oh, I just passed out from the super chat I did with Clay, bro. Thanks, Ken, bro. I am glad that somebody else is doing it alongside me. Thank you very much, Bree Guy, Pudgy, Kenneth, Pudgy, Danelle, Kenneth, Pudgy, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.